Here's a little French-inspired entree using gorgeous in-season asparagus. This is grilled asparagus with a sauce Vierge. Now I want to char grill the asparagus to give them loads of flavour, so I'm going to be doing that in my air fryer. Now this air fryer also comes with a grill plate, so it can grill these beautiful vegetables too. So in the air fryer, you'll notice that there's a grill plate. It's also non-stick, which makes cleaning up a breeze. We're going to place these in whole. You don't need to peel them. We'll peel them after they've grilled and roasted nicely. We'll place that in and we'll just grill this for about 15 minutes. Look at that, I can smell how charred they are. And you can see there's little grill marks all over the veggies. So just with my tongs, because they are piping hot, I'll place them into a bowl. And I just want them to sweat slightly just to make it easier to take off the skins. So we'll just cover that with some Glad wrap and we'll pop it to the side. It really doesn't need long, give it about 5 to 10 minutes. And that gives us some time to cook our gorgeous asparagus. I like asparagus that are not too thin but have a thick stem just like this. There is so much flavour in the stem. All you need to do is just use a peeler, so a carrot peeler, and just peel the base of it and then trim it, and you'll see that is actually the sweetest part of the asparagus. So I want to lightly oil these just so we get them cooked perfectly. A small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and we need to season them. So a pinch of salt into our easy fry and grill, spread them out, and then we're going to cook them. I don't like my asparagus to be cooked too much, so I just want them to have just a slight crunch in the centre. So we'll just again press our grill, and they're going to take no more than 10 to 15 minutes, but I'll check them as they cook. Oh, these are exactly the way I want them. They're crispy. I can still feel that they're not too soft either, just right. I'm going to place them back onto that pretty little platter. Look how great they look. You can see the little char marks. Just a subtle char mark is what we're after. Now to finish off our sauce. So I've finally chopped all of those vegetables. They're in the bowl ready to go. For a few more ingredients, some coriander. This is coriander seed, and I've toasted it and crushed it myself. It's a very different flavour to coriander that's already been ground. So if you can do it freshly, you've almost got like a sort of a sweet, lemony flavour to it. It's absolutely beautiful and quite nice in the sauce Vierge. We need a bit of zing, so some red wine vinegar. And there are many different ways of doing a sauce Vierge. You can add some capers and some olives. I'm just going to keep it really simple, really make it all about these veggies. Some herbs, so tarragon, we'll just roughly chop that. We just need a small amount because it is quite strong. It has that unique anise flavour to it. Quite fresh and really suitable to go with vegetables just like our asparagus. Okay, pop that in. And a few sprigs of parsley, 2 or 3. Scrunch that up and finally chop it. Great, to bring this whole thing together, a pinch of salt and some really good quality extra virgin olive oil. Nice and fresh. Want about 1 to 2 tablespoons. It is an olive oil based sauce after all. Quick stir. Look at those colours. And we'll just drizzle that over our grilled asparagus. This is so very French. Like I said, I would serve this as an entree. You could have some salmon on the side, maybe some poached salmon, some smoked salmon, or if you like, make a bigger portion of this and have it as a side dish to a roast. So delicious, a really nice way to present asparagus.